day at the parks, and it's so wonderful to come into such a great room. I just want to show you how wonderful our room is here at Port Orleans Riverside. We're in room 8201, and it is exquisite. I just want to show you everything from top to bottom, so just come along with me for a quick tour. So, as you can see, this right here is their air conditioner, and it looks like a trunk, and they've done such a great job at disguising. They also have beautiful drapes in these rooms. That's one thing, if you stay at a value resort, you don't get. A value resort is pretty much you just go to sleep there, and it's fine. I've stayed there lots of times, but when you stay at a moderate resort, you kind of just get some extra amenities. Also, you get a great seating area. They've got this beautiful table. I love it. It's got this faux marble top. It's really cute. It's got two nice chairs, and I love the lamp that they have, or not the lamp, but the lighting that they have in this room. It's really, really great. It's got beautiful lamps. And then as you can see around the top of this room, they have got this border that actually looks like molding. And me, where I live, I'm from Mobile, Alabama, and it's very reminiscent of the stuff that you see back home. And the big antebellum style home is very grand, and it's just, that's what it reminds me of. So that's really, you know, it's a beautiful stuff in this room. Also, this room, the room we're staying at, we booked last minute. So we got 2 queen beds instead of a king bed, but they are so comfortable. These beds are pillow top, and they are super soft, but not too soft. These beds have beautiful scenes on the back of them. If you want to come get a shot of this, they've got these scenes on the headboards, which is very reminiscent of the headboards that are at this resort. And the headboards, it's really great because if you come and look at the next headboard, you'll find Princess Tiana herself. Let's see. If you look right there, you'll find Princess Tiana right there. So the theming in this room is impeccable for sure. There's great lighting in this room. Also, they've got a great, awesome picture here. It just really gets you in that, you know, wonderful, wonderful Disney feeling, especially Tiana feeling. This is the Riverside Resort. It's not French Quarter, but it's still wonderful theming. My favorite thing about this part of the room is what's on the ceiling. Do you see that? That's a ceiling fan. Now, I don't know about you, but I have not stayed at too many resorts that have a ceiling fan. That right there helps this lady sleep. I get hot at night, and I love the sound of a fan, and that does it for me. It helps me sleep so good. So, also, this room has got an awesome, awesome storage cabinet. It has 3 drawers. It also has a refrigerator, a little mini fridge right down here that you can put your leftovers in or whatever you want in there. It's great for that. Also, something that this resort has, once you go moderate, you get a coffee pot, a coffee maker. So that's a great thing. So you get coffee maker plus, you know, Disney's coffee of choice is Joffrey's. So you'll get Joffrey's coffee as well as your coffee maker. You also get a great LG flat screen television to watch while you're here. And you also get great storage to hang up your stuff. You have nice seating right there, a nice bench to sit on. And then another great thing is this molding that's here. The molding seriously looks like something that you would find in an antebellum home like we have down in Mobile, Alabama. I have antique molding in my personal home, and it's very reminiscent of that, and it's just beautiful. The drapes they have in here, all of the cloth that they chose, the fabrics are very pretty, and they're very southern. This is a very southern resort, and they've really done a great job at theming this resort. The floors in here in the bathroom are beautiful. There's a marble entryway right there, and then the tile is a marble look, but it's actually ceramic. Then, as you can see, there's wainscoting on the in the bathroom that's really nice and very southern. There's also marble tops right here, which is great. And then one thing that I love is there is a double vanity. Now, when you are married, you don't want to have to fight over that, and it's a wonderful thing to not have to share a sink with your husband. I'm just telling you. It's a wonderful thing. And so this is a great area. It's a great space to get ready in. It's wonderful. There's our junk. It also comes with a safe, and it comes with a key, and then it also comes with your ironing board and iron, as well as hangers and all kind of good stuff. And then the bathroom is just as cute as can be. The bathroom in here has great like Subway style tile, and it's done in a really cute pattern, offset pattern, and it's just a great bathroom. I love it. They also, one awesome thing about this resort, oh, I'll show you this too. It has a full-length mirror. Every lady likes a full-length mirror. It's wonderful. Another awesome thing about this resort is you get full-size bathroom products. You don't get the little dinky ones, you get full-size. So that is awesome. I have no complaints about this resort. It's beautiful. This room is outstanding. We are in building 80, so it's kind of toward the back end of the resort, but where it's at, you're close to one of the bus stops. You can get to where you need to go quickly. It's really not a bad thing. This is a ginormous resort. This is one of the biggest resorts. It has some of the most grand things you're going to find in any of the resorts, especially the moderate level resorts. So if you're wondering what moderate resort to get, I definitely would recommend getting Port Orleans Riverside. You won't regret it. It's absolutely stunning.